Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the action cannot be completed because the file is open in another program. Type Resource Monitor in Windows search bar, click Resource Monitor. Click CPU tab. Copy file name. Press Ctrl and C to copy file. Paste it into associated handlers search bar, click search. File associated image is displayed. Right-click image, click End Process. Click Refresh. Now simply delete the file. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.